Well, guys, it's that time where it's going to be winter, so we're topping off the fuel tank for the heater. Mom's area does a fuel heat, so it's like a red diesel. So 200 gallons last year was $600 or $800, and today it's going to be $1,200. Love it, but this is who we use. So once a year, usually in September, we fill that thing up with 200 gallons of fuel. To test it, you have a stick like this. It tells you how many gallons is in there. So all you have to do, drop the stick in. So once you dip it, you go up and you see where the shiny spot is right about there. So it's just shy of the 283 mark, which is more than enough to get us through the winter. So this is from the 1973 when the house was built. The lady never used it, but you can see it got fame. This thing puts out some serious BTUs and heats that upstairs real quick. So that heats the upstairs. We're going to modernize it. I've separated the house from downstairs to upstairs to make it into like a true triplex. And that heats the downstairs. And I go through about a quart of firewood a winter. Keeps the house, once this cement gets warm, it keeps this house really toasty. And then worst case scenario, if I don't feel like having a fire, that thing runs a few minutes every day, like probably twice in the morning for a few minutes, and then maybe at night before I go to bed. It doesn't take much. Fun little journey. Thought I'd show you guys. Stay safe. Have a wonderful weekend.